Scheduling tools offer you the ability to keep your social media channels up to date with fresh content without having to dedicate time each day to posting something new. Scheduling tools allow you to plan your posts in advance, freeing up time for other tasks. Most schedulers plan their content each week, but you could bulk upload if you have a holiday or a busy time ahead. It's vital to ensure you keep on top of notifications and messages, even if you have scheduled content. There are two main schedulers we recommend looking at: the Meta Business Suite, which is free, and an app called Later. Later has free options available and also paid subscriptions which give you full access to all the features. We've created a scheduling tools cheat sheet which details the pros and features of each tool. You can find this in the notes of this video. Let's take a look at Meta Business Suite. There are lots of different ways you can schedule content in the Meta Business Suite, from going to the content section or the planner, or simply clicking Create Post at any point. If you've connected your Instagram to your Facebook in the Meta Business Suite, you'll be able to schedule content across both platforms. In the Create Post section, you can choose which platform you'd like to share content to. You can upload photos or videos from your computer, and you can upload up to 10 images for an Instagram post. You can make edits to your content, such as cropping, trimming, adding text, stickers, or filters. You can customize your post for the different platforms if you wish, which will allow you to add hashtags to Instagram but keep them off for Facebook, which is best practice. As you're writing your caption, you'll notice the preview appear over on the right-hand side. If you want to add any emojis, if you want to tag anyone, or perhaps add a link, then you can do so here. You can add a collaborator to your post, and then you come onto the scheduling options. You can click on the button Active Times, which will suggest times for you to post your content on either Facebook or Instagram. And once you're happy, just hit Schedule. You'll be able to edit your post by finding it in your planner, or you can delete it altogether if you change your mind and decide not to post it. If you are scheduling content, do be aware that you should keep an eye on your notifications and messages around the time when the content's going out. This is the app called Later. Later allows you to upload content and make small changes to it, such as crops and edits, and then write the caption. You can choose which profile it's going to go out on, and Later does support both Facebook and Instagram. And you can add hashtags to your content if you wish to. Extra features which are paid allow you to tag in users and also add in links into your bio. The free account lets you post around 30 times a month. One of the benefits of scheduling your content on Later for Instagram is that you can plan out your feed visually and see how it's going to appear on your profile once the content has gone live. Frequency and timings of your social media posts matter. Here are some guidelines. Post frequency: start with at least 3 to 5 posts per week. Adjust based on how much engagement you're getting, and definitely make sure you've got something going out at the weekend when social media users are at their highest. The best times to post: so generally early morning, lunchtime, or evenings see higher engagement. Obviously for a pub, if you're posting about alcohol consumption or nights out, it makes more sense to post this in the evening. Experiment to find what works best with your audience. Ideal posting times can vary per platform. On Facebook, it works well to post at lunchtimes or in the evenings after 6 pm. On Instagram, mid-morning can work well, right through to the early afternoon on weekdays, or also 6 pm onwards can work well on any day. Remember though that your audience isn't necessarily seeing your posts in real time, and people might see your post up to a couple of days after you've published it. This all depends on the algorithm. So it's actually a little less important than it used to be to dedicate thinking behind what time to post. And it's best just to make sure you are posting regularly. Instagram offers insights on the best time to post by showing you when your audience is most active on the app. You can head into your insights section, click on followers, and then scroll down to the bottom of this screen where Instagram will tell you when your followers are most active. So have a look through the days of the week and also the times to get a good idea as to when the best time to schedule your content may well be. For us, we definitely see a peak around 6 pm. So I tend to schedule a lot around 5:45.